Thousands of homeowners in Florida have had a chaotic hurricane season, even though not a single major storm has made landfall yet.
That is because insurance companies are pulling out. They're either not renewing policies or leaving the state altogether. And it's an issue that's happening across the country as the threat of natural disasters climbs. Here's Vicki Wynn.
For hundreds of thousands of Florida homeowners, a Category 5 problem brewing for years is now taking aim at their sense of security as insurance companies decline future coverage or leave the state altogether. In the last 18 months, 15 insurers have stopped writing new policies, 3 have voluntarily withdrawn from the market, and 7 companies have been declared insolvent. The latest blow from AAA Insurance, which says it did not renew a very small percentage of higher exposure homeowners policies to ensure the company could support the large majority of our policyholders this hurricane season.
Completely out of the blue, I was surprised.
Some homeowners deemed high risk, like Walter Haller, received a short letter after seeing premiums rise for years.
And I wouldn't mind it going up again and that, but no, they just canceled me outright.
AAA giving Haller just one reason for being dropped.
Because of exposure management, they call it.
Industry insiders say increased hurricane risk, rising reinsurance rates, and a flood of lawsuits in Florida are forcing insurance providers out. In fact, Florida International University finance professor Shahid Hamid found insurance companies in the state have recently sustained more than $1 billion in net underwriting losses and say they haven't been profitable since 2016, all leading to less competition and more expenses for homeowners. Natural disasters have wreaked havoc on insurance markets in other parts of the country, too, particularly in states like California, where wildfires led some companies to pull back on writing policies. And Colorado, with premiums jumping more than 50% over a 3-year period. In Florida, there's a backstop, the state-run Citizens Property Insurance, which offers similar rates to private insurers, but at least guarantees coverage. Anastasia Shellhouse had to scramble to secure Citizens insurance after her policy was pulled.
I cannot take it anymore.
She says the pressure is overwhelming.
It's pushing people out of being able to afford to purchase their own homes. I know someone that almost foreclosed and they were forced to sell because their taxes and insurance went up so high. It's not realistic to continue.
Vicki Wynn reporting. Florida's chief financial officer, by the way, says that the issue isn't a business decision, but stems from, as he calls them, woke policies at the insurance agencies.